So this is Saxon lesson 48. In case you missed the live lesson in class, I'm going to go back and do a mini lesson for you. So of course I will move faster here because you can pause your video than I would if we were in class. So we are doing lesson 48. Please be sure to put your name at the top. If you are using blank paper, you're going to want to pause the video, number your paper 1 to 12, and give yourself a line or a space to write on, something like this. Okay, because I'm going to show you pictures and you are going to write down the sound that makes the first, or the letter that makes the first sound. So we are still working with the letter F. So we have our uppercase F. We have our lowercase f for fish. Please be sure to circle all of the F's, uppercase or lowercase, in the box at the bottom. I will go through and show you a picture. You will write down the beginning sound, the letter for the beginning sounds. Please do not ask a grown-up to help you. This is not a graded quiz. This is for me to see what I need to work further with you on and what you already understand. Okay. So, number 1, otter. In fact, let me make my side a little bit bigger for you so you can see the pictures clear. Ah, ah, otter. Write down the letter that says ah. Number 2, saw. Saw. Number 3, astronaut. Astronaut. Number 4, nut. Nut. Number 5, penguin. Penguin. Number 6, towel. Towel. Number 7, light. Light. Number 8, iguana. Iguana. I lost count. 1, 2, 3. Number 9, goat. Goat. Number 10, moon. Moon. Number 11, heart. Heart. And finally, number 12, fish. Fish. Now let's look at the back page. So we are going to sound out the word and match it to its picture. I like to look at the pictures first, okay? So I see, let's see, this looks like some fog. This looks like a hat. This looks like this little girl's taking a sip of a drink. And this looks like a flag. So now I'm going to see which words I can match to the pictures. So I see, I'm going to write the word a little bigger so that you can see it and sound it out as I say it. S, I, p. S, I, p, s, I, p, sip. So this matches to that picture. This word matches to this picture. Number 2, I'm going to write it bigger over here. Fog. Fog. Og. Fog. Number 3, I'm going to write over here. Hat. Oops, I just told you what it was. Hat. Hat. Go ahead and match the word hat to its picture. And finally, this word has a blend in the beginning. It has an FL blend, which says fl, fl, ag, flag. Go ahead and match the flag to its picture. Now over here, we're going to practice writing some of these words. So I'm going to say the word and I want you to write it. Ready? The first word I want you to write is hat. Hat. Then I want you to write sip. Sip. Number 7, write flag. Flag. And number 8, fog. Our sight words down here at the bottom. You try to say the word, and then I'll say it. If. Of. Do you know how to make that word into off? So this is of. This is off. Twin consonants. Off. What about this one? To. Him. Has. And our new sight word for today is the word do. Don't forget to send me pictures of your work and check out the Bitmoji room for the letter F if you'd like any more activities or practice.